So guys, right now Internet Computer ICP is having a pullback towards the downside, and if you have watched my video yesterday on ICP, I have gave you guys some sort of an early alpha or an early signal calling this dip or this pullback right here because there were multiple signals signaling that we could potentially see a short-term pullback to the downside, and right now we are seeing it happen for ICP. So in this video I'll be mentioning the levels to look out for this dip and also my current expectations. We will talk about the bullish scenarios and obviously the bearish scenarios. We're going to talk about two sides and also the recent price action. So without wasting any more of your time, drop like and let us begin the analysis for Internet Computer ICP inside the 4-hourly time frame. So as you guys can see right now in the charts, we are having a pullback. Now this pullback was to be expected, again, because first off we have approached resistance. Yeah, we have touched a resistance level at $14. So obviously a pullback was to be expected. Now personally I'm looking for support at this previous swing high right here. It's not really clear, but this is a swing high, and I'm expecting this level from 12.3 US dollars until $12 to support the price if you do fall back into this level. So if you do see ICP move further to the downside, if you do touch this level, I'm expecting this to support the price, and we're going to be expecting a bounce from here. However, if we do see ICP fail to hold this level as support, we could see ICP fall back down towards the next support at 10.5 US dollars right here. So it's going to be very, very crucial right now for ICP to hold this general area as support, because if we do hold this as support, we could proceed moving and continuing this uptrend to obviously the upside. Now, if we talk about my current long-term or mid-term perspective, my view still is the same. My view has not changed, and I'm expecting ICP in the coming weeks to eventually have a break above resistance at 15.5 US dollars and flip this to support. And then once we do see that happen, then we could proceed towards my next target, which is 23 US dollars again. But for this to happen, we must break above resistance at 15.5 US dollars and flip that to support, because once we do, we could proceed towards the next target. So this is the confirmation that should be met, because a failure to do so would mean that we could not proceed to the next target. So again, in the coming weeks, we could see ICP continue to move towards the upside, because first of all, this move right here looks impulsive. So it looks like we're starting the first wave, and then we're going to continue proceeding towards the third wave right here. The pullback is going to be the second wave, and then the third wave up, and hopefully we're going to see a break above this, because again, this is major resistance at $15.5. So we could see some resistance act here for the ICP price, and we could see a rejection happen, so be warned about that. But if we do break above this, that is a bullish buy signal. But if we do get rejected, then I'll be updating you guys about my current game plan. But for now, expect ICP to obviously move even lower towards support at $12.2 until $12, and we could find support somewhere over here before proceeding towards the upside. And be warned that a break below support, if ICP fails to hold this level of support, we could continue to move towards the next support at $10.5. So those are all the levels to pay close attention to in the coming weeks. So that is my quick update for ICP. Drop like, subscribe, and all of my links are in the description.